Hello YouTubers, thanks for checking out another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I got this notice right here about the COPPA, which is requiring all YouTube creators to set their videos, whether it is made for children or not. And if you got this notice, you can click on learn more and it will lead you to this page here. So regardless of your location, you are legally required to comply with the COPPA laws here. So basically YouTube has to worry about that, and all the creators have to do is set their videos, whether it is for children or not. There is a simple way to set all of our videos at the same time using the channel audience. So here's the instructions, and I'll leave a link to this page as well in the description below this video. So the first thing we need to do is use the studio beta version of YouTube. You can't do it in the classic YouTube studio. So here, go to settings and channel, then head over to advanced settings, and here you can simply set this option here. This will set all of your videos, existing and future videos, to whether it is made for kids or not made for kids, and then click save, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.